Mama. Yeah. Oh, I lost one. Oh, I guess that might pop up next year. Every year. How do you get? Got to do this every year. Okay. Grow the beans, grow whatever, and let some of them go to seed, so you've got it for the next year, so you never have to buy seeds again. And these seeds are going to be good because they're used to your soil, your climate, everything. So there's got to be something in here that's sort of acclimated in a way. That's just a theory. I don't know if that's true. Ew, that one's not good. Now I've got more I can get, but I think, look, this is going to be enough. I've got multiple varieties of beans growing, so you know, this particular variety, you know, I may just grow like I did this season, just one row. I can't remember how many plants that is. So I can always collect more if I want. And there's plenty of beans still on there. They're being produced. They're producing lots of beans still, and I can always let some of those. Yeah, that one's no good. Alright, so that's good. These are string bean variety, so I just date and write what's in it, put them in here, and then I store them. There you go. Good amount of beans. Like I said, I can always collect more. 12th of January. So I guess from collecting beans to editing to uploading this video, I wonder how many days it'll be between this and upload. Should be less than a week. So now we've got the mizuna. Some have already fallen actually, but that's all right. So we just take them off and we'll deal with it later. In fact, I might put that under there. Trying to hold the camera while doing this isn't that easy. Just realised I wasn't even showing it. Okay. Again, I moved the camera. I'm too busy watching what I'm doing as opposed to what I'm filming. Alright. Alrighty, let's move this to here. So we just want to do all that. All the seeds will come out. There's more seeds than I'm ever going to need. So chuck some of it out. And you just give it a blow. There we go. There's the mizuna seeds. Just, that's heaps. Like, that's more than I'd need. I only usually grow between 3 and 6 plants a year, and I've got lots. More seeds. Some have fallen. This is kale. Dwarf blue curly kale, and we'll collect those seeds. Okay, so just do all this. This will get them all out. Where is it? Here's the blue dwarf curly kale. Bunch of seeds in there, heaps. More than I'd ever need. You just collect more than you need every season, and you know, Bob's your uncle. Here's the next thing I'm collecting seeds from, but what I did was I picked some that were a little past it about a week ago, threw them here on the ground, and now that they're drying, I'll pick them up and I will collect the seeds. I'll just chuck them in there. Oh, I just collected a couple of apples and some tomatoes. I just get the seeds out. That's not a seed. Let's get this one. There we go, collected, and I will plant some next year or next season.